Now, having narrowly missed the automatic qualification mark of 1:59.90 seconds at the National Championships on Sunday, Kristen Gordon Powell has secured a spot in the women's 800 meters to the World Championships in Oregon based on her world ranking. A number of other Jamaicans who missed out on the entry standard have also joined Powell, qualifying based on world rankings.
Kristen Gordon Powell has a season's best of 1:59.52 seconds done in Nashville earlier this month, before running 2:00.35 at the National Championships on Sunday. Gordon Powell is ranked 33rd based on points and makes it as one of the 48 qualifiers to the championships. Adele Tracy, who has switched allegiance from the UK to Jamaica, has also gotten the nod based on her ranking. The two should join national record holder Natoya Gould in the women's 800 meters in Oregon. Meanwhile, Nathan Allen will join Christopher Taylor and new national champion Javon Powell in the men's 400 meters, despite not running 44.90 seconds or faster within the qualifying period. He is ranked 31st in the world. 4 athletes have qualified based on their world ranking in the field. The top Jamaican in the men's long jump this season, Wayne Pinnock, who is ranked 23rd in the world, will join defending champion Tajay Gale in the 32 for the men's long jump. Shanice Porter, who is ranked 27th, also gets into the 32 for the women's long jump, while Akeelia Smith joins Shanika Ricketts and Kimberly Williams in the women's triple jump. Jamaica will also have 2 competitors in the women's high jump, with the 22nd ranked Kimberly Williamson joining national record holder Lamara Distin. And reigning World Championships silver medalist Frederick Dakers and Olympic finalist Chad Wright joined Travis Smycle in qualifying for the men's discus. Smycle was the only Jamaican to qualify by entry standard. Some 1,900 athletes have qualified to compete, with approximately 63% qualifying on entry standard and the remainder making it by ranking. 75 countries are expected to enter athletes through universality places. The deadline for the submission of entries is July 4. The World Athletics Championships will run from July 15 to 24 in Eugene, Oregon, with live and exclusive coverage on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network and One Spot Media, and radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.